Yes, my friends, today we're riding about 120 kilometers from my field in Dazmiz to Karasu in Sakarya. With my rebellious companion, the Kuba 570 ATV. There's a muddy road we have to pass through. As you can see, we're heading down the mountain right now. Our first goal is to reach the main road at the bottom, the asphalt. After that, we'll reach the town of Osmaneli, which is about 13 kilometers away.
Evet dostlarım, burası Osmaneli'ye birkaç kilometre kaldı. Görmüş olduğunuz gibi giden yerler var. Burada tünel çalışması var. Gördüğünüz gibi şöyle.
You can see the peach trees, the fields, and the village life around here. Pamukova is 30 kilometers away, Osmaneli 13. With the ATV, I can go between 65 and 80 kilometers per hour. But I'll be letting it rest often and checking the oil and coolant regularly. That's important. We left Osmaneli and crossed the Karasu River. You can see the natural scenery again, grazing sheep, and up ahead, there's a newly built railway and tunnel. Beautiful mountain views. Our next target is Pamukova.
Şu an çıkıyoruz. Şurada yeni yapılan bir tane tünel var. İleride tren, burası da tren istasyonu. Şu an Osmaneli'den çıktık.
About 30 kilometers away, we've reached a junction. This is the split toward Bursa, Scenic, and Sakarya. We've covered 16 kilometers so far. Pamukova is 24 kilometers away. Sakarya is 68 kilometers away. First Pamukova, then Sakarya, and finally Karasu. Total distance, 120 kilometers by ATV. First problem, the luggage I placed too close to the exhaust caught fire. The ATV cover burned. Thankfully, I noticed it while stopped. I hadn't realized it while riding.
Söndürmeden de bırakmamak lazım. Evet, tren istasyonunun yan tarafı.
We're riding alongside the railway now.
Biz direkt yan yolu kullanıyoruz. Şurada yine dere var.
Mountains and forest roads all around.
Macera devam.
Second problem, my phone won't charge. is showing a moisture warning. If I break down right now, I can't reach anyone. My Samsung phone keeps saying the charging port is wet. We haven't even reached 24 kilometers yet. I added some engine oil. I check it frequently. I passed Pamukova, now I'm near Gave. We've gone 40 kilometers. I'm resting the ATV at a gas station. Like I said, I'm taking frequent breaks. The phone still won't charge. I stop at every gas station. I'll add a little more oil. It looks okay, but I don't want to risk getting stranded.
Bakın damlaları görüyorsunuz.
10 kilometers left to Sakarya. It's very cold and the wind is strong. Trucks are throwing small rocks and dust into my face. The plastic part of my helmet visor broke, so everything hits my face directly. We've gone 60 kilometers, but we keep going. We don't quit. We pass Sakarya and turn toward Karasu. 70 kilometers done, 50 to go. I'm resting the engine. My neck and arms are hurting. I gave up trying to fix the phone. I left it to fate. I left myself to fate. The adventure continues. "40 kilometers to Karasu. 80 kilometers completed. Finally, I fixed the phone. It's charging now. I feel safer. At least in an emergency, I can call for a tow truck or reach someone quickly. I passed Farizli. Total planned distance, 120 kilometers. I've taken all the wind and cold head-on. "110 kilometers done. We're close to Karasu. We arrived in Karasu. 120 kilometers total, about 4 hours on the road. A tense, challenging adventure finally over.